Government, thank you once again to everyone for your time and active participation in today's 12 Intergovernmental Infrastructure Development Board meeting. And I would like to express my sincere gratitude to my mentor, Honorable Senior Undersecretary Emil Sanday for his leadership.
So I'm representing Senior Undersecretary Emil Sanday. Please assure that the national government continue to support the BARM, especially the infrastructure projects.